In this video, I will show you how to delete Nike Run account. First, open the Nike app and tap on your profile icon at the top left corner of the screen. Then go to Settings. You will find it on the right-hand side of your profile page. Once you're in Settings, scroll all the way down until you see the option that says Delete Account. Tap on that. You will see a confirmation screen. Tick the box that says, "Yes, I want to delete my account," and then tap Delete Account at the bottom. And that's it. Your account will be disabled and scheduled for permanent deletion within 30 days. If you change your mind, you might still be able to recover it within that time. And that's how to delete Nike Run account.